Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming prerequisites: your OS, a working microphone, speakers, and an account with microphone permission. Once done, enable Bluetooth if you plan to pair a smart speaker. Next, open the system settings and grant microphone and speech permissions. This lets apps record and respond. Then, download the official assistant package or enable the built-in assistant in settings. Make sure background apps are allowed so the assistant can listen when activated, and proceed to installation. You now install and configure the assistant. First, run the installer or enable the built-in feature. Agree to microphone, location, and background access. Once installed, choose your language and a wake word because that affects recognition accuracy. Then, select the primary microphone and speaker and calibrate volume and sensitivity to reduce false triggers. Also set a hotkey as a backup. Finally, link any accounts or services you want the assistant to access so it can perform action. You finish by testing core functions. Ask for the time, whether, or to open an app. Make sure responses are timely and audio playback works. Once satisfied, tighten privacy settings and review which accounts the assistant can access. If the assistant is unresponsive, first rerun microphone calibration and check input levels, then restart the assistant service and confirm permissions. If problems persist, reset the assistant settings and reinstall. This typically clears corrupted configs and restores normal operation.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.